beauties, it's me, Allegra. I'm super excited today because I have a bunch of makeup subscription boxes here, so I figured we could do a makeup subscription box haul and a makeup subscription box unboxing and unbox all of these subscription boxes. I have so many here, beauties. I ordered them, but then I didn't get a chance to open them because I've been super busy with work. So I figured we'll open them up together today. I'm going to go as fast as possible, but I am also going to be having a giveaway today. So make sure you're a subscriber so you'll be entered into today's huge makeup giveaway, and comment #GlamFam so that I know that you want to enter this giveaway. So let's go ahead, guys. I can't decide which one to open first. Let's go ahead. This one I started to open, but I did not open it. I started it and I was like, no, you need to wait for the beauties. So here it is. This is from Glossybox. So let's go ahead, guys, and see what came in our Glossybox. So did you guys see my last Glossybox? It was so good. I was literally in shock. So let's see what's in here, beauties. It says self-love juice. Self-love, you are enough. That's awesome. I love that message, of course. So here is a Maria Nilla dry shampoo. I wish I could try this right now. Let's just see if it has a scent, because it has beautiful packaging. Did I show you guys this beautiful periwinkle color? So let me just spray it. I just want to see if it has a scent. And it does. It has a very, very pretty kind of fruit, very slightly fruity, a little bit warm. It smells like a beautiful perfume. Wow, this smells incredible. Vegan and cruelty free. This smells so good. This actually, yeah, it smells like almost like a hair perfume because it smells a little bit on the vanilla side, but also a little fruity, but it's all very light, so it's not too much. Wow, this is really nice. They always put things in the Glossybox that you would never think of. That's what I really love about Glossybox. So here is the Elemis Pro Collagen Cleanser. Love this. And this baby right here, I have another one of these from a different box, I believe. And it lasted me so long. So this is a great deluxe size sample. Well, yeah, it's a deluxe size. I don't know. You could call it a sample. I'm not sure. It's just something, a nice size. So what is this, beauties? Brow BFF Brow Friends Forever Grow and Groom Brow Gel. Wow, so apparently this is brow gel that is also going to grow your brows as well as keep them in place. I gotta try that. So here is Aceology Rose Petal Mask. Can't wait to try that. Normally I do love rose skincare infused products. So finally put something in here a little bit. What is this, guys? Oh, Daily Concepts Daily Body Scrubber. Very nice. Love, love, love body scrubbers, especially now I'm self-tanning. I've been doing self-tanning and going to not the beach, but I've been going to the lake. So me and my husband go to the lake like every day now. So I always want to scrub, and you know, I'm always in a bathing suit now. Let's put it that way. So always got to keep all your bits, you know, scrubbed and fresh. So guys, here is my Ipsy box. Now this just came, so this one is not, you know, delayed or anything. This is probably for this month. Let's see, May. Oh no, May, it's June, girl. Okay, this is for May. May Wild Beauty box. Okay, you probably have seen this already. I don't know. Let's see though what I got. So here is this is the Ipsy Glam Bag. How beautiful is this? This is an exceptionally beautiful one with the peony flowers. Oh, purple, lavender. Wow, beautiful. So let's see what's in here. Here is the Black Magic Cocoa Edit Liquid Liner. I would love to try that right now because, beauties, I was just traveling. I just got home. I've been on the road for hours and hours. But I couldn't help myself. I was like, I need girl time. So I came to do my makeup. I came to hang out. And I couldn't find my liquid liner though, because, you know, everything is all over the place. But I just gotta tell you, I have been trying different liquid liners lately, and this is stinking good. Already, it's just staying in place. It's coming out very evenly. I tried quite a few the other day, and the product, the liquid liner wasn't coming out. It was dry. I threw them out. Should I tell you guys, I had the Dragon Beauty one. That one was not good. It didn't even, you know, it kind of like exploded. I don't know how to describe it. I never even I used it like once. And then the product like it just, I don't know. But then anyway, it just, yeah, it didn't work. The REM Beauty one also, something strange happened and I didn't use it. So, you know, if I used it and it happened, I didn't use it. I used it once. I went to use it again and it was all messed up. It was not usable. I had to throw it out. So hopefully this is not the same thing. I don't think so. It just came out so beautifully on my eye. And this is, again, Black Magic. I can't wait to use it. Felt really good putting it on. So, you know, it just came out so nice. So, and, you know, just not too glossy. I love that. So, and as you can see, it dried right away and it didn't get stuck in my hooding. So if you have hooded eyes, you know what I'm talking about. This is a nightmare. Okay, here I got, oh my gosh, look at this. Kate Somerville Goat Milk Moisturizing Cleanser. I needed this. I just ran out of my regular cleanser. I've been using the Innisfree and I'm all out. So now I'm going to use this one. I'm so happy. And I love Kate Somerville products. So I'm sure that's a good one. We'll find out. I'll let you guys know. Oh, here is the Rodial Soft Focus Glow Drops Illuminating Ultimate Glow Primer. Oh, I can't wait to try these. I'm going to be back and we'll do a look. Let me put all the, I'm not going to try to organize right now, but I would love to put all the makeup together. So I'm definitely going to do a little look and come back and we'll try it. You know, we'll play with them together. So here is the Pear Nova. These boxes are flipping amazing. Hydrating cream. Let's try that. Let's try it, guys. Am I going fast enough? Oh, but it looks like there's an eyeshadow palette in here, girl. Oh, and I still didn't go finish going through my Glam Bag. I just started going for my Glam Bag Plus items. Okay, let's see what this is about. Ooh, this smells really good. Wow. It's very light, very pretty. Hydrating cream, directions to use, massage into skin. This is really nice. I've been doing so good with my lotion, guys. I know I used to always complain to you about lotion. I hate it. But, you know, I've gotten into it now because, you know, I don't want dry skin. But no, probably I found some good lotions. This one feels good so far. I gotta show you the lotions that I've been using. Now I'm totally down for lotion. So that one feels really good though. I'll be definitely gonna use that more. And then here is is this an eyeshadow palette or face? Formula Z Transforming Beauty Habit Cheek Palette. Girl, tell me. Ooh, how beautiful. Beautiful. Love to try that right now also. Okay, we'll put that with the makeup and we'll come back. Like I said, we'll do a makeup look together. And then we also got this beautiful little bag to put everything in. And there's more makeup in here. This is the Lovecraft eyeshadow primer. Lovecraft and Beauty eyeshadow primer. Here is the Fresh Start eyeshadow palette. What does that look like, dolls? Have you seen this already? Let me know down below if you've already seen all this stuff. Like somebody else already showed you. Oh, very cute for on the go. Actually, that rose tone eyeshadow reminds me of that makeup hack where you put the eyeshadow on your lips. If so, that would look good over this. We'll see. Maybe I'll try that. And then here is Beauty for Real. Is this a liquid? Is this a lip liner? I'm gonna have to try this right now. Lip liner. Yes. Let's try it. Oh, it feels good. I'm addicted to, I truly think I'm addicted to lip liner. Okay, I'm going to try this more. Just got to grab my mirror. Here is the Way Body Cleanser. And First Aid Beauty Eye Duty Niacinamide Brightening Cream for your eyes. Very nice, dolls. I cannot wait to try. Oh, I don't want to drop. I don't want to drop anything. I got stuff everywhere. But I got to try this lip liner. I have to. It's like imperative. Is that a word? Nice, very nice. Okay, we're doing good, guys. We got 2 boxes down and we got 2 to go. So here's another Ipsy box. This is, oh, you know what? That was probably for May and this is probably for June. So maybe May I get behind. Yes, that most people happen. I have a lot of work to do. Like I do work for my husband. I'm sorry guys if this is I'm tearing this open. Okay. And thank goodness you see I don't have nails again because I've been busy working for him. He's got me working for him day and night, guys. So you know how it is. Oh, look at this. Okay guys, we hit the mother load. Here is a beautiful brush. LaRouche brush. Ooh, love. Oh, very firm. I love a firm brush. I wish I had eyeshadow right now because I want to put more on. I want to use this more. Let me grab. This was in my last Ipsy box. This is a Violet Voss eyeshadow palette. I love this palette so much. Yeah, this is good. This is a good brush. It's very soft and firm, you know? So look how it's able to use this kind of brush. You can use to just really smoke out your eyes. And then if you're like me and you have hooding, you kind of wiggle it over the hooding. And it's going to make your eyes look so much bigger and disguise the hooding when you put some dark shadow on it. So love that. I learned that from Scott Barnes, of course. This brush is good. Wow. Okay, let's put that aside. Here is a cute little bag with popsicles on it. Let's see here. This must be June. Ipsy Show Your Colors June. Okay, this is the June box. So, oh, here guys, this, I saw this online. They have in the box the Ipsy Refreshments Dazzling 5-Blade Razor Kit. I love the Ipsy razor. That could not come at a better time because I'm constantly shaving now. And those are so good because they don't irritate your skin. So you could do your bikini line, or if you're like me, my skin is very sensitive, I shave my bikini line, it's a hot mess. But those don't do that. They keep you like from getting, you know, the bumps and lumps, whatever. So here is a Dr. Zenovia Hyaluronic Acid and Peptide Serum. Nourishes, plumps, and tones the skin. Can't wait to try that. And let's see what else. Dr. Brandt Triple Antioxidant Face Cream. Very nice. I need that. I need that. I've been moisturizing too now, guys. I started using Retin-A. So now, but then my skin started peeling, so it kind of looks gnarly. But I've been using a lot of moisturizers to keep it from peeling. So I'm going to definitely use that too. I'm going through my moisturizers like crazy now. So here is a cute little thing. Oh, is this one of those? Oh, it's a selfie light. Love that. And it says Ipsy. I have one of these and I love it. And people stop me and they're like, what is that? It makes the hugest difference. You can get them on Amazon because this one is from Ipsy. If you don't have it, if you can't get it, you can charge it. And then I don't know if this is charged already, but yeah, it makes, let me put it on my phone right now. I'm using my phone. It makes the hugest difference, especially if you're going to take, even if you just take pictures, you're like, it makes a huge difference. And then that's the charger for it. So I'm so happy because I have one and I'm always misplacing it, but thankfully, anyway, I find it, but you know, here, now I have two. Oh no, guys, my favorite. These little beauty sponges. I love these. I use these to do cream blush. I use these for under the eyes. These are amazing. A lot of you beauties ask me what I'm using when I use these little tiny sponges. Well, normally I use Morphe. Now I'll use these. Originally I think I had one from Real Techniques, but now I use the Morphe one because Morphe always has good ones. They're always in store, like at Ulta, so you can pick them up if you can't get them online. But guys, we almost made it through. Okay, here is another eyeshadow palette. I think this is Ciate. So Ciate London Cranberry eyeshadow palette. Nice. Oh, that would be so pretty. I'm going to come back. I'll use that for the makeup look we're going to do. Because did you see like Kylie Jenner came out the other day with a cranberry eye? So we'll recreate. I was thinking I should recreate that look. Here is the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. And I had this, but I wanted to try it again. So maybe I didn't have it. I could have sworn I had it and I wasn't crazy for it, but then I've been watching videos and now I'm like, I need to try it again. And so now I'm going to try it again. We'll do that in the video. We'll do that in the video. So here is Belle Argent Pink. Is this a lipstick? Oh, this is beautiful packaging. This is a lipstick. Oh, so pretty. Is this a balm? Oh, it's a balm. It's like a coral pinky balm. Very pretty. I got to find out more about that. It doesn't really say. Wear alone or pair it over lip gloss or pair it over gloss for extra high shine. Nice. Okay, here is Froze body scrub. So nice. I can't wait to try that. But that smells, I would love to smell this right now with you beauties, but it'll probably make a mess, but it sounds like it smells so good. Rosé body scrub. That sounds so nice. Should I try it with you guys? I don't want to make a mess though. Okay. Oh, here is Bad Habit Cleanser. I love this cleanser. I actually got a sample a few months ago in maybe an Ipsy box, and I used it up. I loved it. I used it up, so I started just using something else. But I'm so happy because I love this. It feels so minty and good on your skin. Doesn't break you out. So love this. And then here is a Tarte Man Eater mascara. Love that. That's such a great box, you guys. So we're almost made it through though. I got one more Glossybox here. And then that is all of our haul, of our makeup subscription box haul for the day. So here is one more. Let's go ahead. Let's do it, girls. We're doing it so good. We're doing it so fast. Look how beautiful. Do they have someone that actually ties each one? Because whoever is doing that is doing an amazing. I wish I could make a bow like that. That bow is beautiful. Ugh, I don't know who can throw these bows. You can't even throw the packaging out on a Glossybox. It's so beautiful. Look at the box even. I'm going to put makeup in here. This is gorgeous. Oh, look how cute they sent satin scrunchies. Need that for sure because it makes such a huge difference when you put them in your hair at night and then you put your hair back and you wake up and your hair is still looking good the next day. Here is a Laritzi. This is a cruelty-free vegan. What is this? Oh, eye gel. Oh, I would love to try that right now. But I'm not going to try it right now. Oh, Neolastin Firming Eye Cream. Need that. So let me put that over there so I could try that. And here, oh, this works. Sleep lotion. Stop. They must have heard me speaking about how I love sleep products. Okay, and I tried, this works. I've tried their sleep spray and it was very good. So this is a sleep lotion. Cannot wait to try that. Cruelty free and vegan. Their spray was super powerful. I was like in the deepest sleep of life. Oh no, guys. I've been meaning to tell you about this. Sulawesi activating serum. I purchased a bottle of this at Sephora. It is amazing. You put this on and it actually makes the serums that you put on after like 10 times more effective. And I've been using it and I love it. This is this is the activating serum it's called. So you put this on, then any serum you put on top is 10 times more effective. It is amazing. I've been using it and using it and using it. I love it. I love it. Oh, and then here is a Lash primer. So conditioning with collagen in it to condition your lashes and help them grow. So how amazing is that? So anyway, beauties, that is everything for my makeup subscription box haul today, my makeup subscription box unboxing. Definitely comment #GlamFam down below if you'd like to be entered into today's huge makeup giveaway. And also, that's pretty much it. Subscribe. That's pretty much it. So anyway, guys, I love you beauties so much. I hope you're all doing good. Thank you so much for coming and spending time with me. And I will see you dolls very soon. Bye.